Now this diagram indicates simplest with stop and wait. This diagram shows the simplest with stop and wait. Here what happening is, so the moment there is a request from the network layer, the data link layer will accept, and it is going to, after accepting, put it into the buffers, first step. The second step, make it as a frame. Third step, hand over the frame to the physical layer. Third step is hand over the frame to the physical layer. Fourth step, wait for the confirmation, that is this confirmation. This is the fourth step, confirmation from the receiver. So this additional step, what we are going to observe in this stop and wait. And whatever frame is handed over to the physical layer, the frame goes to the receiver's data link, receiver's physical layer as a bit stream. The moment receiver's physical layer receive the bit stream, it is going to give the notification to the data link layer. Then the data link layer will perform again 4 steps. First step is receive the bit stream as a frame. Second step, extract the data from the frame. Third step, hand over the data to the network layer. Fourth step, send the acknowledgement. Fourth step is send the acknowledgement. Now acknowledgement will be coming back to the sender. The moment sender receives the acknowledgement, then if one more request is there, that will be processed. So likewise, the simplest with wait, stop and wait protocol is this. So here, after sending the frame, waiting for the confirmation before sending the next frame. So that confirmation, when it is going to receive, so the moment this receives the frame, process it, hand over, then send the acknowledgement. Here the acknowledgement is yes, your frame is received, but not whether right or wrong, because ideal channel, that is what is being assumed in this. So if you see the algorithm, what is being, if there is a request, accept the information from the network layer, make it as a frame and hand over the frame to the physical layer. Then the receiver physical layer, the moment it receives the bit stream, notification to the data link layer, then data link layer will accept it, extract the data, hand over the data to the network layer, then send the acknowledgement. So these are the different tasks. The moment acknowledgement comes, it is going to notify to the data link layer that you have a frame or you have something. So that is nothing but acknowledgement. So these are the different tasks will be carried out in data link layer for sending and receiving the information. So far what we have seen is the channel is ideal, no errors, no noise, no interference, nothing. Okay. So with respect to that, so whatever is transmitted is delivered without any problems. So nothing is lost, nothing is manipulated. So this is what we have assumed so far. Based on that, this. Okay. And here the algorithm we see. So while true means if there is a request from network layer, then first step, accept the information and put it in the buffer from the network layer. Whatever information is coming from the network layer, accept it, put it into the buffer. Second step, make it as a frame. Make it frame. Make the frame. Then hand over the frame to physical layer. Third step is hand over the frame to physical layer. Wait for the event. Fourth step is wait for the event. Event is nothing but acknowledgement from a receiver. So sender now is doing, these are the 4 tasks, 4 steps. Now algorithm is having these 4 steps. Wait for the event. If event is there, means acknowledgement is there, then again it is will be repeated. Okay, that is so sender side algorithm for simplest stop and wait. Now the receiver side, if there is a notification, If there is a notification from the physical layer, then accept the frame from the physical layer, extract the data from the received bit stream from the physical layer, then hand over the data to the network layer, then send the acknowledgement. Send the acknowledgement. So these are the 4 steps. And the earlier simplest protocol, the send frame is not, that 4th step is not there, both in sender's algorithm and receiver's algorithm. So the simplest algorithm is little modified, and we are coming across with simplest stop and wait protocol. If this is being further modified, then we can apply the same thing for the noisy channel also. How it is being done, we'll see. That is about the noiseless channel simplest algorithm.